Hey class, so I got problem number 9. It states the following graph of the function f satisfies limit x is approaching 1, f of x equals 2. Determine a value of delta is greater than 0 that satisfies each statement. Use the graph to estimate your values to the nearest tenth. So our first statement says if 0 is greater than the absolute value of x minus 1 is less than delta, then the absolute value of x or of f of x minus 2 is less than 1. So I know it sounds kind of confusing, but we're just going to kind of or pretty much put it in the graph. So let's start with, we know the distance between x and a is 1. So that's going to be on the y-intercept, and that is the epsilon distance. So we could go ahead and mark it right here. Okay. So now we could just put the points. Sorry, it's kind of sloppy. Okay. So now we have, we know the distances between these, which is 1. And again, that's the epsilon distance. Okay, so now we're going to try to figure this out. And the distances here, which is the delta difference, is 3. And this is 5. So now that we know this equation right here is the distance between f of x and L. So when f of x equals 2, the limit is this. So we know anything in this area satisfies the statement. Now when looking at 0.5, erase this. 0.5 is like about right here. So then we know that delta equals epsilon over 2. 0.5 is epsilon, so 0.5 divided by 2 is going to be 0.25, which on the graph is probably like right here, or 1/4. So pretty much anything in this area, the blacked out one, is what can what delta can be. Okay, so it satisfies that. And then we have 0.2, which is going to be, I'll say like this. So again, delta equals epsilon over 2. So when we do 0.2 divided by 2, 0.1, that one's like right here. So anything in this blacked out area can be delta and can satisfy the third statement. Thank you.